Hello there, this is Alex from Albo Studio. Have you ever had a problem formatting your USB drive or maybe your external hard drive? If so, today I will show you an easy solution using Windows command prompt. To format our USB drive or our external hard drive, first we'll need to connect the drive to our computer. As you can see, yes, we have successfully connected the drive and it's not visible. I cannot see how much memory I have or what is happening with the drive, and I will not be able to access it. To fix it, let's open our command prompt and type the following command to open our disk partition application. Hit enter. Yes. Okay, we have successfully started our disk utility application, which is disk partition for Windows. First, to see what kind of disks we have connected to our drive, we will need to type list disk, hit enter. And over here you can see all the disks we have here. We're going to work with disk number 5, since this is our USB drive. First, with the select command, we will select our disk 5, hit enter. As you can see, our disk 5 is now selected. Now we're going to clean the drive using the clean command. Let's type clean, hit enter. We have successfully cleaned the drive. Let's check if we have selected the correct drive with list disk, hit enter. You can see by this star that we have selected disk 5, so we can continue with our format. Now we'll need to create a partition with create partition primary command, hit enter. We have successfully created our partition. Now we can continue formatting our disk, which can be formatted in NTFS or in FAT32. For this tutorial, I'll be using NTFS, but I will leave also the command for FAT32 in the description below. So let's type format fs equals tfs. For FAT32, the command will be FAT32. So let's use NTFS. Now we can hit enter and the format process will start. You can see the percentage of our format completion over here. After 20 minutes, we have successfully formatted our volume. And in my PC section, you can see that our USB drive has a full capacity and fully usable for anything you need it to be. Well, you have seen that we have successfully formatted our USB drive and made it accessible to our Windows machine. This was Alex, and if you like this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for similar content. Take care and bye bye.